Show you how to use the Xbox to make some stars, and all we're going to have to sew is 3 strips of fabric. I'm going to start with my 3 strips of fabric that were cut for the 6.5-inch Xbox. There are different size Xbox tools. They will all do the same thing, but I have already pre-cut my strips and sewn them together for the 6.5-inch tool. So I have 2 seams. Those 2 seams will line up with these solid lines on the tool. There are other lines, the dash and the dotted line on the tool. Those are used for different designs and other designs. Today we're just using the solid lines. So I'm going to place the Xbox tool on these strips, lining up those solid lines with those seams, just like this. And I will take my rotary cutter and cut around the edges. Once I've cut one block, I just move it down the strips, cutting out my blocks until I've reached the end of the strip. That gives me a block that looks like this. This block, you can see it, how it came right off of those strips. Now I'm going to take my blocks. They are perfectly square, they're pressed and ready to sew. I'm going to place them like this. This is the block. I just turn it a quarter turn to make my star. Now, I had mentioned that there are other size Xbox tools. This is the one I made with the 6.5-inch star. This is the Xbox Mini 6.5 star. I can do the exact same design with any size Xbox tool. Here's one example to the right of the same pattern, 3 strips sewn together. What I've done here is I've mixed up my greens and my tans. I always consistently used this in the center of my strip set. Another example in smaller, using the smaller tool, is this placemat. Here again is a sample with the larger tool, cute little baby quilt in blue and yellow.